In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add page in Canva with same design. So this is the design which I want to have on my new page, but whenever I click on add page, a blank page appears on my Canva, but I don't want to have this page. That's why I'm gonna delete this one. So to copy this design on our new page, we need to click on these pages to enable our page thumbnails like this. Now we need to right click on our page, which design we want to have on our new page like this, and then we'll be able to see an option of duplicate page, or you can use shortcut key of Ctrl D, but remember to enable this option before pressing Ctrl D. So we need to click on duplicate page, and that's it. You can see a new page has been added with the same design. Now I can change the text here. So let's say I'm gonna type here my channel name. A new page has been successfully added with same design. But in case you want to have this design on your new project, so for that what we need to do is right click on your page, then click on copy. Now go to your next project, and here we need to press Ctrl V to paste our page, and you can see a new page has been inserted here. And now you can delete your blank canvas on your new project like this, and that's how you can copy or add a new page in Canva with same design. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.